welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for being here today. So in today's video, we are going to do a cooking with me. So many people requested another cooking with me. So here we are doing another cooking with me. So on today's dish, we are going to do one of my most favorite dishes. It is so delicious, so healthy, so unique, and it's just so easy, and it's, like I said, so delicious. So today we're going to do some roasted pineapple Brussels sprouts, okay? These Brussels sprouts are so good. You have to try them. If you've never tried Brussels sprouts, this better be the first time you try them with this recipe, okay? So we're going to do some Brussels sprouts with some salmon and some asparagus on the side as well. So if you're curious on how I do my roasted pineapple Brussels sprouts, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are going to get started with the ingredients that you are going to need for this plate. Did I mention it was delicious, but did I also mention that it was so quick and easy to make this plate? Seriously guys, it really is. So all you need is a pineapple, SpongeBob's house. We are going to need some Brussels sprouts. You're going to need some lemon, pecans, olive oil, pepper, salt, and some syrup. I always get sugar-free syrup because we don't want those extra sugar in our body and that extra calories as well. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure your Brussels sprouts are cleaned and cut. So I'm going to wash them and I'm going to start peeling them off and cutting them. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and washed my Brussels sprouts, and I also heated up my oven for 415. So make sure you guys do that as well. So cutting Brussels sprouts, it's pretty easy. At first, when I first did it, I was like, okay, how do you do this? So obviously I searched how to do it. So you first wanna obviously peel off the leaves around it, and then you wanna cut it. So I'm gonna show you guys how exactly to do that. Alright guys, so the Brussels sprouts are already peeled and cut. This is how they should look like. And I went ahead and also cut my pineapple. So I'm just gonna toss my Brussels sprouts in this container. Just like that. And we are going to cut the pineapple in little pieces. That way we can throw it with the Brussels sprouts. If you've eaten Brussels sprouts before, you know Brussels sprouts are a tiny bit bitter. So that is why we add some pineapple for that sweetness, and we also add some lemon for that because the lemon's going to not let the Brussels sprouts be so bitter. Next, you want to get some of your olive oil and you're going to drizzle some on the Brussels sprouts and the pineapple. This is going to allow the Brussels sprouts to roast really good in the oven. And you just wanna get dirty in there and just mix everything with your hand. So you wanna get some of your salt and you wanna put some in there. Just like that. And you wanna get some also of your pepper. And again, we're gonna get dirty and mix everything with our hands. So the Brussels sprouts, the pineapple, and everything is already mixed. We are going to add the pecans and the syrup after they roast, like a little bit after. That way the pecans won't get burnt in the syrup either, but we are going to now put it on the oven for 20 minutes. Make sure you don't use a baking sheet with this or any aluminum foil, because I did that the first time and it just like slow cooked it because of the juices of the pineapple and the olive oil. So make sure you just put it on the pan like this with some non-cooking spray. Alright Alrighty guys, so I already went ahead and seasoned my salmon. All I did was just put garlic, salt, and pepper. I like my salmon pretty simple. I know you guys are expecting me to have a super fancy, dancy salmon, but honestly, I don't. I truly really like the salmon's flavor, so I don't like to put so much things. So I already went ahead and seasoned it, and I'm going to put it on the pan. And next, I am just going to season a little bit of my asparagus, and I'm going to throw them in the pan as well. Alrighty guys, so there's 6 minutes left on the clock for the Brussels sprouts, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my pecans and my syrup. I've transferred the Brussels sprouts onto the pan, and I'm just going to cook them here for 5 to 8 minutes just so they can get a little bit crispy. So this is how you know the Brussels sprouts are ready, when you start seeing some of them a little bit burnt. For example, this one, as you can see, it's just a little bit burnt. You don't want all of them burnt because then that just means you burnt them, but you just want a few of them burnt. We are finally done with today's dish. Guys, this looks so good. My mouth is just watering right now. I just want to like stuff my face in this plate, but honestly, I'm so glad it came out exactly how it always does. It's so good. At last, when everything is ready, I like to just sprinkle a little bit of lemon on top of everything. I love my salmon with lemon and my asparagus, so I'm just going to drizzle a little bit like that. So we are going to take a bite because my mouth is just watering. So I'm going to get a Brussels sprout with some pineapple. Oh my goodness. There's just like so many flavors going on. Oh my god, this is so delicious. I'm going to get a little bit of my salmon. Oh my god, this is so good, you guys. You guys have to try this. I'm being serious, you guys have to try this. Alrighty guys, so this concludes today's video. I'm so happy this dish came out exactly how it always does because it is so good, and I actually wanted to show you guys off this plate, so thank god it came out good. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here today. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up and show your love on the comments down below. If you have not been subscribed, don't forget to subscribe guys, and you can always also turn on your post notifications to be alert every time I post. So if you guys want more of these videos, like I said, comment down below and I'll show you all my healthy, delicious plates. Alrighty guys, so I'm already gonna get going because I am starving and I can't wait to eat this food. It's so good. Alrighty, I'll see you on to the next one. Mwah.